What do you think of social responsibility? I think that social responsibility is important to us. It's important to everyone. It's important to the community. It's important to the citizen. Okay. I think that social responsibility is something like you do something good. You doing something right. Uh, you're doing a particular job working toward the society, or maybe like you helping someone needed, like volunteer of society, community, or participant of community. That is one of the example that about the social responsibility. I agree with that statement that university students must be involved in the social responsibility program once a month to ensure that they become a good citizen. There are three reasons why the university student must be involved in the social responsibility is the ethical experience and the social development. My first reason is the ethical. Student must have ethic. You need to have ethical to take a responsibility to the community. Ethical is not only to expose the student to constructing the ethical opinion, but they also can provide the opportunity to understand that the reason behind the difference. As a result, that student be able to expand their knowledge or understanding the ethics, doing the right thing. For example, like helping someone that needed. The second reason is the experience. Experience is not something like you read a book and you will get the experience. No, experience is something like physical. For example, like you getting involved in the social activity, social outside of school, that can help the student to meet a new people who they see they share the interest. It will improve your social skill, your communication skill, your understanding about the community. And the third reason is the social development, or you can say that social skill. Okay, students who involved in the social responsibility, they can know that the social development is very important to become a good citizen. You can say that social skill can improve the student to the positive behavior and the reduce the negative behavior. You will expand the culture, you will expand the contribution, how to improve the society. In conclusion, ethical experience and the social development is one of the good thing is the university student who involve in the social responsibility program once a month to ensure that they become a good citizen.